Hi, wanna know how to make full page screenshot on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we will need to open settings on our phone and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named additional settings. Click on it and here go to this tab which is named gesture shortcuts. Also click on it and here go to this tab which is named take a screenshot. Here you would need to enable the options how would you be comfortable make a screenshot. Slide your three fingers down like this or click on the volume down plus power button. So if it's blue it's enabled, if it's gray it's disabled. I'll leave it only on the slide three fingers down. And now we would need to open any application that you can just scroll like this. And now to make a scroll screenshot, firstly we would need to make a basic screenshot. So I'll pull my three fingers down and then click on this button scroll here. Now the page will be automatically scrolling down and you need to click down on that moment when you think this is enough. And this is it how our screenshot looks. So let's save it by clicking on the confirmation button and check it out in our gallery. So here is the screenshot and as you can see is longer than a basic screenshot, and we can zoom in and see that all of the details are clear and detailed. And this is it how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.